Welcome back. Today's project, I'm going to try to clean out my gas tank. What's happening is the lining inside of the gas tank has been jellified, and what's happening is it's going into the carburetor and gunking up all the carb to where when I'm riding down the road, it'll actually starve it of fuel and it'll just die. So I had a mechanic looking at it, and I didn't like what that mechanic was doing. It worked for a little bit, and then it crapped out again. I even bought a new tank, but they said that the new tank was worse than this tank. So what we're going to do is undo the tank, dump the fuel, and then I bought a kit from KBS Coatings, 5-step solution kit, cleaner blast, do the pre-paint primer. We'll go in and we'll do the pinhole sealant. Pretty big project actually. Looking through the instructions, which comes like that, Very specific, draining, getting the heavy gunk out, sometimes takes 24 hours. You gotta turn the gas tank every 5 minutes for 30 minutes to an hour with the rust blast in there, and then let that dry completely. Yeah, so we'll go from, so the first step to get the gas tank off and to get the gas out of there. Yeah, there we go. So 1/4 Allen wrench. Now I have to get my peacock off. Peacock? Peacock. Peacock. Oh my God, really? So this is brand new. I got this from the mechanic, quote, fix my bike. Yeah. So this is the sludge is actually getting through this screen and getting in there. So I got to clean this out. And this is all rust from inside, so it's a good thing I'm single, man. I'm not trying to go on dates. Smell like gasoline all day. Yeah. This is what is coming off of the inside of that tank and floating around. And that's what I'm going to replace. Hopefully with a better coating. One-to-one with the cleaner. has been a couple weeks now, actually, that I started this project of cleaning my fuel tank and recoating it. I took leave today so that I could finish this up, and hopefully this will fix the issue. Oh no, that's not good. Can't be freaking easy, can it? I was an idiot and I didn't take plug out. I had like a paper towel in there so it wouldn't get on the threads in the peacock area. And now it's stuck there. Use some ingenuity and some dumbassery. Fix it. Probably gonna get all this crap up in my tank again. It's not one thing, it's certainly several other things. Can't be as simple. I don't know if I'm hitting the wall or if I'm hitting the actual gunk and towel. I'm just glad it's not a thread on the inside. There it is. All right. Work the problem and the problem fixes itself. No blood, no tears? What? All right, so I did get most of the stuff out of there. Hook it up. Put some gas in it. Good. Just make sure that I have what's supposed to go on here. Pretty sure you put the washers on first. Oh, God. Ow! We're gonna put gas in it. Come on. Battery Tender Junior 800. And I let it charge for a few hours. It still says it's in maintenance / charging. So we'll see if it gave Now with this going in, I mean, I see gas going in, so I have gas rolling through it. See, it didn't. Got done looking it up online, and then it dawned on me, I only put a little bit of fuel in there, and I had it on the regular setting on the petcock. I didn't put it to reserve, which is like when you're starting to run out of fuel. So let's see if that works. Oil looks good. Power on. Run. Well, there you go. She is now running. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I gotta button her up. Missing that nut. Petcock or whatnot? Petcock. Tailgate has a washer. And I just found, oh motherfucker, I found the freaking other washer. I just lost this one. There it is. Oh motherfucker. I had to hammer this bitch off, so now I gotta hammer it off. Awesome. It actually was not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
awesome.